Hello everybody! I thought I would film a day in the life today and take you guys along. It is the last weekend, the long weekend before school starts on Tuesday, so we're sort of trying to go out with a bang and get a lot of stuff done. We are going to be going to a fair today. I've got to get up and out of bed and get ready.
My name is Miriam.
Yeah, here's Miriam. And here's Jude. You got to get in your clothes for today, and so do I. Miriam's already dressed. She's picked out a dress. But yeah, we're gonna go to a fair today, and I've got a couple things that I need to do. I gotta put away some clothes, so I'll probably get dressed, put away some clothes, and yeah, so join us on our day. Because I don't think that I shared this in a haul, but I picked this up at the thrift store a while back. I thought it was super cute. It was $1.99. So I thought I would pop down quickly down here because I was just about to put away my bathing suits. And a company actually sent me these swimsuits. So I have one swimsuit that I've worn for the past couple years. It fits me, I feel confident in it, so I wear it, but it's kind of plain. So when this company reached out to me, I thought, hey, yeah, send me some swimsuits. I would love to share them if I like them. And I did end up really liking them. So this is one right here. It's a one piece. Obviously, you know, I love the pattern down below here, so it's really cute. And, you know, I am a 36-year-old woman. I've had 2 children. I don't go to the gym or anything like that. So, you know, I'm not your typical swimsuit model, but these bathing suits make me feel sort of like swimsuit model. So they're really comfortable, and they actually really fit me really well. So, and they can kind of mix and match. So this one came with a black bottom, and I like that I chose bottoms that are high-waisted. So they make me feel really good, and so I was really happy to receive these, and I'm happy to actually share them with you. So if you've been sort of just wanting to try out something fun, go out of your comfort zone a little, I highly recommend it. Anybody remember this dress? If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen it. Actually, I think I shared a video here too. Anyway, at the fair, there are going to be some animals, and I thought this would be the perfect dress to wear to the fall fair today. Okay, we're all ready now. Dressed, makeup on, hair done. Just gonna have a little snack. Grapes, pineapple, and then just peanut butter on toast. It is now 12:45, and Dave is just finishing up teaching jiu-jitsu. He teaches jiu-jitsu on Saturday morning, so he's finishing up. So when he gets home, we will go out to the fair, and then this afternoon I might dig out my fall home decor decorations. We'll see. I don't know if I'll get to that, but we'll see. I was hoping to get to some yard sales this morning, but it just didn't happen. You're making my coffee for me? And what mug did you choose? And is it the truth? Yeah. Thanks, buddy. No sugar. I've been using maple syrup. I think we might be
What's in there?
Is that sugar? Let me see. Oh yeah. Okay, use some of that.
But I just have to cut it first.
Okay. Did you put it on the boiling water yet?
No, because I don't have water in here. Wait, what? What do I do? I'll put it on then. Be ready soon.
Thank you. Does this make me a good mother to foster independence, or bad mother because I'm going to let him burn himself? There you go, Jude. You did a good job.
What?
Here we go, muscle man.
Here we go, the muscle man. How do you get it me?
Push, push, push. You can do it. Nice.
Coffee's into the cup.
All right, Dave's home. We're gonna have some leftover Vietnamese food that he made the other day. Seems every time I pick up the camera, we're eating. But Jude's just having a couple noodles. Do you like it? And Miriam's having some noodles. And what else are you having?
I have chicken.
Some chicken. And is it delicious?
Yeah.
Yeah. We parked and we're walking to the fair. I didn't turn on the camera when we were all bickering about getting food and getting money from the bank. Just a sec, Memes. And so anyway, just a little bit of real life there. I didn't film it, but today hasn't been all roses. But we're gonna have a good time, and I'm excited to film a bit and keep some memories.
Here's the Ferris wheel. Are we supposed to stand up or no?
No, we had to just sit down. You're in the sky.
Wait, a lemonade stand.
A lemonade stand.
Look at the lemonade stand.
Oh yeah.
Are we gonna move?
So adorable. All right, we are home, and I just spent a bit of time chilling on the couch, and now we are going down to the basement. It's kind of precarious here, but I'm going to get my fall decor. I don't know if you guys have ever seen down here before, but anyway, we store a lot of my decor down here. Got some stuff for the resale business over here, and so that's that. And then over here is Christmas and just like winter stuff, and then here's my fall decor bin. So I can't really remember what's in there, but let's bring it upstairs and go through it. Let's see what's in here. We've got a little wreath, and I've got these flowers. I got those at Michael's last year, I believe. Oh, what's this? Oh yeah, there's this thing from the Dollar Tree with some flowers in that. I don't know what I'll do with there. Some Halloween stuff. This little banner. I think what I might do is like declutter some of this stuff, because looking right now, I see things that I'm probably not going to use again this year. And then there are things that I will use, like I love this little pumpkin here, so I'll reuse that. Okay, so this is the stuff I've decided to keep. And I've got more stuff hidden away that I'll get out throughout this week. And then this is the stuff I'm all donating. So I think this will be good to give off to the Salvation Army, and then people can, you know, buy stuff for fall season and decorate themselves. So I thought I would share with you guys a little Dollar Tree haul. I've been detoxing from the Dollar Tree for the past little bit. I guess it's been about a month or maybe even 2 months, I'm not sure, most of the summer, because I just find that I go in there and spend a lot of money. So I was detoxing, I didn't go. And but in Ottawa this past weekend, I thought I wanted to go and just check out some of the fall decor to see what they had, and I gave myself a budget of $10, or 10 items I should say, and I didn't go over that budget. Okay, so this is what I got. I got this wreath form here. I'm not sure I like the light color of it. I don't know, maybe I'll spray it or something like that, but anyway, it's a decent size, so I picked that up. I also picked up these note cards here. I thought they were super cute, just blank note cards. And then I went a little wild with the pumpkins because I've never seen them have this green color here. If you guys know me, you know I love the color green, especially a muted green. So anyway, I picked up 5 of these green ones with the gold stems, and then just 1 cream one with the gold stems. So I didn't spend a lot. I told myself I shouldn't spend a lot, and this is my little Dollar Tree haul. 2, 3, 4, hop. 2, 3, 4, hop. 2, 3, 4.
Hop. 2, 3, 4. Hop. 2, 3, 4.
Okay, it's a little after 7, and we are starting the bedtime routine, and I'm super pumped because Dave is actually here tonight to do bedtime routine with me. With the jiu-jitsu school opening, he hasn't really been here for bedtime, so I've been doing it myself. So I'm really excited that he's here and we can tackle this together. It's 9 o'clock. And Dave and my nephew are over there dancing like crazies. Anyway, 9 o'clock, the kids are asleep. I sent Dave out to get me some donuts, Timbits, and I'm going to end the vlog here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me, please consider subscribing so you don't miss one in the future. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!